Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video because I've wanted to do this ever since this collection, like the preview dropped online, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to own this in my life, and I finally got it. It actually came pretty fast. I think I want to say I ordered it about 2 weeks ago, and I ordered from two different sellers. So I got one last week and then I got one this week. It came from all the way from Korea. So as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be on the new Etude house. I think it's Etude house. I'm pretty sure because I watched some Korean videos and I'm like, oh, I've been saying that wrong. So Etude House collection, and it's their collab with KitKat. So I'm going to be trying these on my eyes today. I'm going to see if they're Layla approved because I know they weren't Jeffree Star approved. But you guys, it's Korean makeup. I have used Korean makeup for a long time, so I know what to expect. I'm actually wearing a BB cream today by Leo Ellie, which I really like. It's something that I used to use every day. It can be built up to full coverage. So Korea has a bunch of like awesome products, and this collab was just something that I really was interested in getting because it's so cute. But yeah, before we get started, make sure you guys click the subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I upload 3 times a week, a Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, I did end up spending pretty much double the price to get each one. So they retail for $20 US each. I got them for about $40 US each, which translates to about $60 Canadian per box. But that's okay because there's a few things in here. It's not just eyeshadow, and you know, supply and demand is actually like a thing. So on eBay, like the day before I purchased this, I was about to give up. I was like, this is not anywhere. This was taken off the Etude House website. I cannot get this anywhere. It's okay. I'm just gonna deal with it. And then on eBay, okay you guys, there was 2 left on eBay, and they were literally like $100 each, like $100 US each, and the price was going up because it was a bid and people were actually bidding on it. And next day, like a couple more sellers came out with this product for $40 US. So I was like, okay, you know what, that's reasonable, I can deal with that. This was a pretty hot item. I think that the collab blew up so much because of Jeffree Star and Trend Mood. If Trend Mood hadn't initially posted a picture of it, I don't think it would have blew up like the way it did. I think it would have just been like any other Etude House collection. But yeah, it blew up. Sold out super fast, and I have it here for you guys, and if you do want to purchase it, I will leave you guys the sellers that I bought from below. I get the colors Strawberry Tiramisu, and I got the original one as well. So I'm going to basically show you guys what's in the packaging. So you get a makeup bag, which is super cute, really good quality. It's actually kind of like furry. Like it's really weird, but I really do like this, and I'm probably gonna be using it, especially when I carry around smaller bags. This is like the perfect size makeup bag that I should be carrying, not my enormous one. And it also comes with some Kit Kats, of course. Like it should totally come with Kit Kats. I think that all makeup products should come with some sort of chocolate or some sort of candy. And it also comes with a palette here, so it's pretty small. It's about the size of a MAC palette. So back in the day when I used to buy MAC, like a fiend, they used to have these like palettes that would come out almost every collection, and they're pretty much the same size. The MAC ones were probably about $40 to $50 per palette. I have a few of them, that's how I know. It's so freaking cute. So cute. I can't read the names because they're in Korean. This is what this one looks like. It's so freaking pretty. Alright, so this one is more, I would say the more popular one out of the bunch, because this one just has like a bunch of neutral colors, a bunch of gold. Is it unique by any means? No. Does it smell like Kit Kat? So this one has like a chocolate floral scent, if that makes sense. Like it smells like chocolate mixed with some kind of like floral, like roses. So this collection came out for Valentine's Day actually, so this was very fitting. So this one comes with the makeup bag as well. It comes with a Strawberry Tiramisu Kit Kat, which I'm so excited because we don't have these in Canada. The other one I believe is just the original Kit Kat, I'm not sure. And then the palette looks like so, oh my gosh, This one is so cute. It's so cute. I love the color scheme. They're both adorable, you guys. So that's what they both look like. So I'll basically try these out on my eyes for the first time right now, and I'm gonna let you guys know toward the end of the video if I like them or not. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Strawberry Tiramisu palette. So yeah, that's what that one looks like. Dip into that brown in the corner there, this medium tone brown. Some of the palettes that I've got in the past from like a K-beauty brand, they've just been all shimmer, which is kind of annoying, but ooh, okay. So upon initial application, this color applies pretty well. So that's just like one little tap on my, what is this? This is a Sigma, just like a Sigma blending brush. So this is just one tap into the powder, and look how pigmented that is, you guys. That is super pigmented already, like wow. So I'm gonna do another layer, literally just not even that much shadow on my brush, and it's pretty damn pigmented, you guys. So this is gonna be my transition. So far so good. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared of this palette because I know that the other one obviously is gonna work really well just because it's all like gold tones and warm browns, but this one I was a little bit scared of because it's on the more softer side. So that's what that color is looking like. Sorry guys, I literally had to, what's it called, comb out my lash extensions. This is so annoying. Okay, so that is pretty much how the first color applied. Honestly, it applied really well, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the darker tone right beside it, that one right there. It's also a matte finish color. Honestly, this palette just smells so freaking good. So I'm just gonna coat my brush a little bit with that color, and I'm gonna be applying this to my crease slash outer corner. That's what that one's looking like. It's kind of blending in pretty well with the other color, but I feel like they're very close in tone. Like there's not much of a difference. The other color is like slightly lighter and this one's slightly darker. I wanted it to be like a smidge, like a little bit darker, a little bit deeper than it is. So definitely not hard to blend out at all. That's what it's looking like right now. Like I said, it's a little bit more soft than I would like it to be, but maybe that's just personal preference. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a lid color. So I don't know which color to use. I'm leaning toward like the deeper pink. I don't know if that's gonna look good. I'm really hoping it does. Maybe I'll do, yeah, so I'll do the pink on the lid, and then I'll do the color right beside it, kind of like as a topper. Okay guys, so I do this with every palette, not just this one. I do it with literally every palette. I like to lay down a base just so I don't get fallout everywhere, number one. And number two is so the color will pop really well. And I've never had an issue with like non-pigmented eyeshadow ever since I started doing this, and I've done this for years now. So I basically just take, this is a NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil in the color Yogurt, but you can literally take any base, like any cream base. This is all I have left, by the way, this little tiny thing. I'm trying to finish this. I've had this since forever. So basically what I do is I take a little bit of this, put it on my lid, and whatever color I'm applying is just gonna stick to it. It's gonna pop, and I only either use this or like a MAC base. So applying that to the lid where I'm gonna be placing that pink color. Gonna take a just flat synthetic brush, and just blend that. Flat like goat hair bristle brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that pink color right there. It actually went on a lot better than I was expecting it to. I don't know why, it just didn't seem like this color would be very pigmented in the packaging, but it's actually really pretty. Wow, you guys, I'm pretty impressed with that color. So I'm going to take the one right beside it, that shimmery one right there, and I'm just going to pretty much use this like a topper. Oh, that's so freaking pretty. Do you guys see that? It has like red and pink shimmer into it. That's so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna take that corner color, the opposite corner color from the dark one, the light one, that one right there, and I'm just gonna take a Sigma large fluff brush and I'm gonna place that color underneath my brow bone. For the lower lash line color, I'm gonna take that shimmery brown, the only color that we haven't used so far in this palette, that shimmery brown, and that's what I'm gonna put on my lower lash line. I just popped a little bit of Stila Topaz into the lower lash line, which is like a nude eyeliner, and I did that versus the black just because this look is so soft. I didn't want to like overpower it with eyeliner. So you guys, this is the final look using the Strawberry Tiramisu eyeshadow palette. I actually really enjoyed it. I really liked it. I like how soft it looks and just how effortless it was to put on. I wasn't expecting it to be. I thought that I was going to have to work with it a little bit more to get more pigment out of it, but honestly, all the shadows that I tried were really nicely pigmented. They weren't like the most pigmented eyeshadows I've ever tried, but they're actually really, really good. And the eyeshadows themselves are just so soft. Like, they remind me of Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows, to be honest. Like, those mattes, I wasn't expecting them to go on so nice. Like, I don't know why. I was expecting them to go on like a little bit chalky, to be honest. Totally weren't at all. Like, that is just like a little swatch of the corner color right there. This eyeshadow palette, oh my gosh, yes, it's amazing. It smells amazing, and I'm sure the other one, the original one, is equally as amazing as this one. So I definitely recommend them. Like, they're definitely Layla approved. I like them. I think that they go really well with my skin tone. Like, I'm very light, and I'm very light, especially right now since it's winter. My freaking foundation doesn't even match me very well right now. I had to wear BB cream today because my foundation doesn't match, but that's how pale I am this winter. Oh my gosh, I freaking hate it. These eyeshadows just suit me really well, and I definitely will use them, and I definitely will probably travel with them in the summertime. It's actually really sturdy too. I just want to mention, like, it's plastic, it's not cardboard or anything, so it's very, very nice, very well made. I'm gonna go and try this. Oh, there's 3 in here, and they're like the tiny bars. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. I didn't know there was 3 in there. That's awesome. I thought it was like an actual like bar of chocolate. So that's what that looks like. Oh my god. This is the best Kit Kat I've ever had. Honestly, that is the best Kit Kat I've ever had. How have I not had a Kit Kat that tasted like that before? How? Oh my gosh. You know what I want to do right now? I want to go on eBay and find a box of those, or like a Korean box with like different types of Korean candy, because that is freaking delicious. It's like white chocolate, and it has these little like strawberry chunks in there, and you can actually taste the strawberry. Like it's, I don't know, it's really weird, and you should totally try this if you haven't already. Like, it tastes like real strawberries. I was so disappointed the other day, you guys, because I found the green tea matcha chocolates at Walmart, and I bought a bag of them, and they literally taste like chalk. And the first time I ever tried them, like a while ago, like maybe not a while ago, it was like literally a year ago, before they started coming onto like the mainstream market, back when they were only at like Asian stores. I just remember it tasting so good. This is amazing. Amazing. If you guys want to pick up this collection, I highly recommend it. I really like this eyeshadow look that I just did with it. I recommend, if you're lighter skin, I definitely recommend the Strawberry Mousse palette. If you're darker, the other one is going to look amazing on you. I really like this. I really like this collection. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy about the chocolate. I'm gonna go eat the rest of that, so that's why I'm rushing this outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, thank you, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, like I said. I had a lot of fun filming this video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.